Elaine has learned how to make eggs, so she's going to show us how to make eggs this morning. First, I'm going to turn the stove for her because she's still working on that one. Turn it to 4. Let your parents turn the stove on and let them monitor while you make the eggs. Okay, first she's going to put put some butter on the pan.
Keep on doing it until you think there's enough, and then you put it right there.
Okay, now she's gonna crack the egg.
This egg is a brown egg, and we're gonna put it on the side and hit it, and then crack it. And then check if there's any seeds and all that. And you see that will alchemy cushion.
Because what kind of egg are you making?
8 over hard egg.
Okay, so you need to get the yolk smushed through.
And you put it right there, and then wait until it turns white.
And what do you do when it's white?
Flip it.
Nice.
So this way, we have this salt. I don't like the pepper, so I'm just gonna put some salt on. And we're gonna sprinkle it on like that. What?
That's enough, Chloe.
That's enough. And we're just going to wait until it's time to flip. I think so it's time to flip, but we're gonna check. You have to check the little sides. And you have the spatula. You should take it and flip it over just like that, and then you put the spatula right there and turn. Do this and then you turn it off. So bye bye. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.